Hi guys, welcome back to my player. Today I'm going to show you how you can get exchange rewards Olivier Giroud in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the new goalkeeper of AC Milan. You can tap the news update here. This one, new 84 overall goalkeeper exchange. There's a new exchange for French striker that turned into goalkeeper. Head over to exchange to earn his special 84 goalkeeper version. You can tap this one directly exchange, or you can do it by tapping the club, tap the exchange, and go to welcome to FC Mobile. And this one, Olivier Giroud from France. Olivier Giroud is a striker, but because of the red card from Milan, he will become goalkeeper in real life. So if you desperate need goalkeeper, you can get this guy by by exchange with over striker 80 until 85, for example, and 80 until 85 over goalkeeper. I have Bravo, and I do have a Mitrovic also, but I don't need goalkeeper. Maybe you need it, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.